Hello, have a good day. My name is Sofia Flores, and with partner Denny Ordóñez, we will talk about animal feed. We start. We can see in the image the different animal. We continue with cattle feed. We can see in the image the cows. We continue with forage. They are the most important part of the diet, but in volume in the nutrient supply. Forage are a source of fiber, which is one of the basic components for ruminant digestion to well. In addition, it provides in protein, energy, vitamins, water, and minerals. Um, we can see in the image the forage. We continue the concentrate. Uh, Feed concentrate for fattening cattle that be mixed with grains, forage, and cane molasses. The starter feed is offered the first 15 days after the animals arrive at feedlot. During this period, you can offer dried alfalfa and or oat forage for a quick recovery of your animals. We can see in the image the concentrate. We continue with the nutritional blocks. It constitutes a technology for the manufacture of solid feed for cattle and that contains a high concentration of energy, proteins, and minerals. The ingredients dried sprout, peto or polo leaf, dry glass, alfalfa, ground corn cob, corn cover, ground corn, so flour, molasses, lime, cement, among others. The recommendations adapt animals for 2 hours the first day, increased by 2 hours each day until reaching 24 hours. We continue with silage. We can say the image the silage. The silage is forage conservation process where through the fine chopping of the forage and compactation, anaerobic conditions are created and lactic fermentation of pasture begins in the microorganisms to take the sugar from the material to be ensiled and transformation them into lactic acid. I can say that adequate animal feed is very important for their growth.
Hello, my name is Daniel Ordóñez and I will tell to you about feeding pigs and poultry. Okay, pig feed. Cereals. The pigs are fed with concentrated ration of composed in cereals and vegetable proteins. The most common cereals used are white or yellow corn grains, soybeans, sorghum, rice, wheat, barley, and others. Byproducts such as wheat bran, cooked potato, ripe banana, or cane molasses can also be used. Different types of flour are also part of the fine diet, such as soybean meal, blood meal, including whey, dry proteins, soybean oil, calcium, zinc oxide, and other appropriate compounds. The inclusion of vitamins and proteins in the different presentation must be at both liquids and processed powders. We continue with the oilseed paste. The vegetable paste that result from the milling of the oilseed are an important raw material for the production of balanced feed for the livestock sector. These pasts allow better quality food to be made and therefore livestock and poultry with sufficient nutrients according to the purpose for which they are raised. The next is the buttermilk. Milk is made up of various nutrients including water, vitamins, carbohydrates, and two proteins, 80% casein and 20% whey. Whey is the translucent liquid part of milk that remains after the cheese making process, after coagulation and removal of the curd. Until a few years ago, it was considered a waste byproduct of the production of dairy products such as cheese or yogurt, but in recent years, new uses have been found for this product, considered rich in nutrients. Okay, now we will talk about beer foods. Corn, sweet corn. I can be given to the beers in the form of whole grain or flour. The amount that can be used depends on the way our hands consume it. The grains with high sugar content of transparent appearance. This is the true corn to eat the fresh grain, corn or table corn. Now we continue with the poultry concentrate. Poultry need nutrients to remain healthy and to achieve good egg and meat production. These nutrients are proteins, fats, carbohydrates, vitamins, minerals, and water. Homemade concentrates for chickens, a way of preparing food for healthy and productive poultry, using grains such as corn, sorghum, or cornstarch, which mix and prepared with beans, pork, tree leaves, legume leaves, mineral salts, and egg shells, among other ingredients, results in very cheap and highlight nutrition concentrate for chickens. Finally, we have the alfalfa hay. In general, alfalfa as fodder should not be thought of outside of poultry farming. Alfalfa hay is one of the most used resources due to the high protein and energy value it provides to livestock. In addition, its texture and palatability allow a correct ruminal function. In order for this K fiber source to meet the quality parameters that guarantee its nutritional proteins. This is it. Thanks for your attention.